Kiseng bhalang bapher ki badan hapo ka Shatri jongka North East Student Union lane ka Neso haga khandai tarik unok pra kilapan pau bat penram jor ka Sarkar India daga basyong kelain mongor halor ka jingsha sediam ki khatsan ngot ki banaga jaj benriu naga Hamon District Nagaland ha ki sipai Assam Rifle bat kumjo kila dawaru naga Sarkar bakade ban wengno mardor ka ain Armed Force Special Power Act lane ka AFSPA namar kate ka ain kamlong ka basngan ha ka imlang ka salang ha katay ka ju ka sngi kilapan long ru ka jingthang mamati kabakum kadak ka jingsolam shaki bahaying ki bahasam jong ki khatsan ngut ki bala syasiat yap ha ki sipai Assam Rifle
kata ka jing persa ne kata ka jing solam yang jong ki para rurum ki badan ngthi po celana galan akapo mon district handai kadai ka krepmat kamang cuyeng na kapor bang pani sa sakoran dia ya ga because kar dia ka juri yang gigi pat dulum na kapor na kawai kasnam cewai pat kasnam kacincia ka sautorik jong uday prai no pra Hamon district Nagaland kacing sya panjang joki nombala kandai syur tang kasin banangkong prai krachela bun tedi gicaka han ka than stay lamani bro kawai pat ngasum baka sakaran dia kelapadan kam kita kinuking adir niki kun khadai ujang sakaran dia kunoi penmadan yang iki pat dulum nakapor sekapor kini kinong persya ya kariti sensar jonggari India hanai ngakwa bantu kacing kali akon kena krepat ya ka sakaran dia mamo bastang Pamangga kacing yaum snam bat mamo bastang pang pendengkam da kapor jong ukuli lamba ki tang suai jong ka sakaran dia kana kadus thak kapat kepada salandat jong ka sakaran dia hakaba mitawa pang pentrikam ya ka LP hapo ka than chatila mangi bro boy ka sakaran dia kawan ra ada kata CAB su kapor manta ka kong kasi ngakwa bandong silyang kakti kapadong kam lagian silyang kakti kapadong kam daw kuri yang ikon kipat dulum hagni ka than stila mangi hibro kawai
being the same again because so many speakers have said, but as a Northeast people, let us stand together. Let us unite together. Especially, I appeal to the UNESCO, Northeast Students Organization. Let us come together. The government of India, they like to protect the land, but they fail to protect us. And who is going to protect us? We the people together. We will fight. We have been till the end. We will fight. We will never give up. At this today, we stand by the side of the families. Not only Northerners, but as a Northeast, we appeal the government of India to repeal this, the Armed Special Power Act from our land. This is not going to be a solution. This act is putting a fire, and this will not bring any solution. People of Northeast, especially the students community, let us come together. Let us wake up. Let us watch each other's back from today onwards. Let's move forward. Not only today, but from today onwards, let's stand together.
No country in the world, no democratic country in the world would have a law which empower its own army to commit aggression, to murder, to kill, to rape, given by the Indian government to the Indian army did. We have seen the naked brigade in Manipur. We have seen the army aggression in Assam. We have seen many cases of armed forces misuse of power, the excessive use of power by the armed forces in the whole of Northeast. And sadly to say, this Armed Forces Special Power Act is applicable in Meghalaya also, in spite of the fact that we are not disturbed. If we read across in between the line of the Armed Forces Special Power Act, I would say that it is no difference from the Nuremberg law that Hitler has made before the First World War to exterminate the Jews. Especially Section 3 and Section 4 of the Armed Forces Special Power Act, which says that the governor or the ruler of this union territory can declare an area or the whole state as a disturbed if it is, in their opinion, it is so disturbed.
To express in strongest terms our protest against the security forces who on that fateful night, fateful day on the 4th of December have perpetrated a heinous crime, a barbaric act towards the villagers of Oting in the one district of Nagaland, which resulted to the death of 14 villagers and injuries to many others. Well, brothers and sisters, this is not a one-off incident that happened in Nagaland. This particular incident has brought back bitter memories of the past, where villagers in Manipur, in Nagaland have suffered this same fate, where the army personnel, the security forces, they'll just come and swoop down on the village and kill the men folk, rape the women folk, and torture the innocent villagers for days on end. This has been happening since 1950s till today. The security forces in the whole of the northeastern region have been committing these crimes from time to time. We have seen the operations in the state of Assam. We have seen the suppression, the oppression by the armed forces in the state of Tripura. And also, we must have heard about the bombing in Aizawl, in Mizoram in 1966 by the Air Force of the Indian Armed Forces. Well, brothers and sisters, we used to wonder why this is happening in the northeastern states of India. Is it because of the factors that the government of India, this portrays the mindset and attitude of the government of India that they have towards the people of the northeastern region? Is it because that we are different in looks and features? We eat differently, our language is different, our culture is different. And also, is it because that the indigenous people of the northeastern region have been demanding for their rights, for their protection from any internal and external aggression?